situations. So cold.
Hey guys, it's Brandon Carey. Today I am reviewing a Porsche 944 Turbo, also known as a 951 for you noobs out there. It is my buddy Rockford's, and he is letting me drive it, which was very kind of him. Thank you, Rockford.
No problem.
So anyways, we're back at my old high school, and we're about to get on the road and see how this baby does. It's boost weather, so it should be a good experience. Let's listen to that startup. It's got a Borla exhaust system on it. Still trying to get used to the clutch in this thing. It catches very, very high.
Yeah, it's a little annoying.
Now, this thing's riding on coilovers. Remind me again.
Ground control.
Ground control coilovers.
And solid bushings all around. And it is a 5-speed.
Oh shit, my foot got caught that time.
Yeah.
So kind of got to get that clutch low, or else your foot will get caught on the wire and harness. When that turbo kicks in, dang man.
I know, it's a sneaky turbo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not like newer cars that hits it, you know, at like 2,000 RPMs because they just got it worked out so good.
Yeah, turbo hit around 4K, and you could definitely feel it. And of course it is boost weather out here in Georgia, or just about as boosty as it gets. You don't want it too cold out there, flying off the road. Is this on summer tires?
All season, right? Yeah, all season. But I do need new tires in the back because I've been having a little too much fun.
I know about that.
Yeah.
I need a new torque converter because I've been having a little too much fun.
I have never actually been over here.
Really?
On the boat I have, you know, over there,
Dude,
but I've never driven.
This is where the kids used to smoke meth in high school.
Math?
Math.
Oh my god. Algebra. Just let it rip, just like.
I just keep I keep not pulling out all the way, and I'm like, where's it catching?
Also, first and second wheel brake traction when you're taking off.
All right.
Just to prepare you.
I'll keep that in mind. Hey, get out of here, you fucking domestic.
God. This is GDM AF.
GDM. German.
Yeah.
This is German domestic market. What's this speed limit right here? 50? Oh, fuck, screws in. I want to get on it, but I don't want the feds. Oh, gosh. You guys hear that exhaust? So, Rockford was telling me about the step above this car, which is the which is the 944 Turbo S, which is a little more track oriented and has a bigger turbo. He said compared to this thing it hauls, but this thing's plenty enough fun for me. Another cool thing about this car is it's got a transaxle, so a lot of the weight's in the back, so it's got a really close to 50-50 weight ratio. So it handles like a dream. This Dodge behind us is not amused. As far as modifications go, it's got a Lindsay dual port wastegate, a Lindsay chip. It's got the 4-inch Borla turbo back exhaust. It's also got a little bit larger injectors. Rockford said that it's making about 305, did you say? 305 horsepower, 360 foot-pounds of torque. around here.
On the bad road.
No, but honestly, it's not too rough. I've ridden in much stiffer cars. He was saying he can't afford another speeding ticket, so I can't either. So I should really probably calm down here in this thing.
That's why we go to Mexico.
Oh, road work. Better not fuck with that. Yeah, we just did some road work, so we're gonna calm down here for a little bit. So probably cut off the camera here for a little bit. I think like 80% of this video is just me smiling at this car.
Yeah, the first time I really got into this car, I just had like the biggest smile on my face. I was like, oh my God, boost!
So this car also comes factory with Brembos, but it's like 80s Brembos. So not what?
I said, they're all right.
So that, yeah, so they're all right. Not quite the stopping power maybe you'd expect, but it's plenty enough. And so. Oh shit.
Yeah, I was gonna warn you. There's sometimes cops sitting up here. I was gonna wait till you got a little farther up. I've seen them up here before.
That's not a cop. Lady, what you doing? Yeah, get the fuck out of my way, Nissan. I'm trying to run over this. I'm trying to catch a case. Oh man, that crackle.
It's got the transaxle out of the 944 S2, so it's got a short fifth, and a little bit, wait, what is it? Yeah, higher gear ratio.
All right, out of the 944 S2.
Yeah, S2.
All right, guys. So the camera ended up running out of storage, but I'm back at our high school, or our old high school with Rockford. Here with the Porsche. It was definitely a fun ride. Still don't think I really got used to the clutch, but
It takes a little bit.
But yeah, it was super fun, especially out here in boost weather. So if you ever get the chance to drive one of these, I definitely suggest it. But of course, if you get the chance to drive any new car, I definitely suggest it. But yeah, guys, it was a blast. Thank you, Rockford, for letting me drive your car. It was a fun time. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Hi guys.
It's me, David Patterson.
This is me, David Patterson. Dude Blue Car Reviews.
Oh.